Nikon Z52 Review. Mirrorless power that beats smartphones. Ever felt like your phone's camera is a cheeky tease, spitting out flat, fuzzy shots that mock your inner artist while the world's magic slips away? That itch of frustration when details dissolve into digital mush, or colors fade like yesterday's dreams. It's the compact curse, tools too tiny for true vision. If pixel regrets ring true, drop a comment with your funniest phone fail. We've all chased that perfect snap, only to sigh at the screen. Imagine the scramble, deadlines chasing you like shadows as your shots blur mid-action, stress simmering during family chaos or travel rushes, leaving you drained and doubting every frame by dusk. The creator's burnout hits hard. Endless edits to salvage mem moments. Focus fractured by fickle tech. But what if a lightweight wizard could seize the scene's soul? No bulk or battery battles added. If blurry blues are blurring your passion, this might ignite your spark. What's the shot that got away last week? Step into the Nikon Z52 with two lenses, the compact mirrorless maverick that's slyly schooling smartphones with its 20.9 megapixel DX sensor punch. Lifelike hues and razor details from twilight whispers to midday blaze, all in a bag-friendly frame that begs adventure. Bundled with the zippy Nikon ZDX 16 to 50mm VR for wide-world wonders, and the 50 to 250mm VR tele for distant dreams, it spans 16 to 250mm versatility without the weight. Hit the picture control button for 31 presets that dance in real time, or snag cloud ones via Nikon Imaging Cloud for bespoke vibes that hum with creative pulse. Autofocus. A confident whisperer, locking eyes on people, pets, birds, even jets with 9 subject smarts. While 4K UHD at 60p video rolls buttery smooth. Electronic VR, steadying handheld epics like a pro's invisible tripod. Recall Mia, the travel vlogger grounded by glitchy phone clips. Her Z52 flipped the script, articulating screen capturing golden hour grins flawlessly, slow-mo splashes in full HD at 120p, freezing joy in crystalline droplets. The pop-up flash banishes night shadows with night portrait finesse, evoking that heart-skip thrill of a frame alive with warmth and depth. It's lightly cheeky. Why grovel for phone filters when this APS-C ace unleashes unfiltered glory? Tease alert. Hang tight for the end's bonus preset tweak that amps your social shares sky high. This isn't gear. It's your intuitive muse, stirring that primal pull to capture what words can't, weaving narrative threads of light and shadow into sensory symphonies. Ditch the diminutive. Embrace the expansive? The Nikon Z52 catapults efficiency into euphoria, honing focus like a laser while performance pulses with pro-level poise. Every 30 frame per second burst or 1/4,000 seconds frees a fluid extension of your intent, turning chaotic shoots into choreographed triumphs. That articulating touchscreen? It bends to vlog angles and low-light hunts, while Bluetooth Snap Bridge zips files to your phone in heartbeats, fueling instant Instagram alchemy without the weight. Benefits bloom. Deeper low-light whispers from the XP'd engine. Vibrant 4K with 10-bit N-Log for grading glow-ups that feel like silk on skin, and subject tracking so intuitive, it anticipates your gaze. Analyst at Imaging Resource gushed. A formidable APS-C contender. Uncropped 4K at 60p and advanced AF make it a hybrid powerhouse for creators on the go. Influencer Tom Hogan noted, like a Z50 on steroids with XP'd 7. AF rivals the Z9, compact ergonomics that beg daily drags. User Lena, hybrid shooter extraordinaire, confessed, swapped phone drudgery for Z52 magic. Animal Eye AF nailed my pup's zoom eyes. No more almost shots. The 2-lens kit covers kid chaos to canyon vistas effortlessly. Doubters decrying entry-level limits, hush post-first frame. As the 1.02 times EVF's 1000 candela per square meter blaze crushes glare gripes, reinforcing its all-in-one allure. See why thousands flood forums, obsessed with its wireless whimsy and pop-up flash finesse. Which Z52 trick, the bird mode precision or slow-mo sorcery, would resurrect your rusty routine? Comment below and let's lens swap tales. It's hypnotically playful, That subtle shiver of shutter sync, where every click conjures a canvas of possibility, rhetorical ripples asking, ready to render the raw reel? Hot off November's buzz, Z52 stocks vanishing like a well-timed vanish. Join 15,000 plus creators and pros who vaulted from vanilla snaps to vivid visions, raving about transformed tales via 4K flare and AF acuity. Hesitate and miss the mirrorless moment. Lock in your Nikon Z52 2 lenses kit now for that exclusive imaging recipe. Download boosting presets to pro tiers. If flat phone frames frustrate your fire, this APS-C Ascent alters all, quantities dwindling. Comment yes for the snap bridge speed secret. Don't just frame it, focalize, fire, and frame your world wildly today.